Hold up.
What's up guys, and welcome back to IT Man channel. Today guys, we're gonna cover the best Java tools for developer in 2018. However, there are many tools available for Java management, but this software is the entire process of developing and testing and development in the Java. Here's the list of top tools with their features and download link. So let's go and watch together. For top one, we got JUNIT. JUNIT is an open source unit testing tool for Java programming language. It's an important tool for test-driven development and deployment. Its features contain preparation of input data and setup, creation of fake objects, and also loading database with a specific known of set of data. And provide annotation so that the test class can have fixture run before or after every test. JUNIT provides support for writing and running tests, and it also provides annotation to identify the test method. It provides assertions for test expected result, and JUNIT test allows the writing code faster, which increases the quality. For top 2, we got NetBeans. NetBeans is a free and open source IDE which allows developing desktop and mobile and web applications. Its features allows to offer complete support for the latest Java technologies and support for the fast and smart code editing. And its easy and efficient project management process and rapid user interface development. And it also helps to write a bug-free code, and NetBeans offers superior support for C and C++ and PHP developer. And NetBeans can be installed in any operation system which support Java, from Windows to Linux to Mac and operation system of X system. Top 3, we got MAVEN. Apache MAVEN is software project management tool, and it's based on the project object model concept, and actually its features are simple because it's a project setup. It follows the best practice to get any new project or model started in second. And a great thing is about it, it allows easy writing of plugins using Java and instant access to new features with very few extra configuration, and untasked for dependency management and development outside of MAVEN. And it releases the management and distribution publication, and it supports the use of central repository of jars and other dependencies.